In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Varo branches and ATMs near you step by step. It's important to start by clarifying that Varo is an entirely digital bank, which means they don't have physical branches you can walk into. This might come as a surprise if you're used to traditional banks with locations scattered throughout your city, but don't worry. Although Varo doesn't offer physical branches, they provide access to a vast network of ATMs, making it easy for you to withdraw cash or conduct transactions as needed. Now, let's dive into finding these fee-free ATMs near you. Begin by visiting the official Varo website on your preferred web browser. Once there, navigate through the site until you find the Find ATMs option. This feature is typically highlighted, making it easy for you to spot right away. By clicking on Find ATMs, you'll be directed to the ATM locator page. This is a crucial tool provided by Varo to help you find the nearest ATMs in their network without leaving your home or pulling out your phone book. Once you're on the ATM locator page, you'll be prompted to enter your zip code. This step is simple and essential as it narrows down the search to the area you're currently in or intend to visit. Typing in your zip code will ensure that the list of ATMs that pop up are both current and relevant to your location. Since we're focusing on ATMs in your immediate vicinity, remember to check that your zip code is entered correctly before proceeding. After entering your zip code, you will see a button labeled Show Me the Money. Click on this button, and just like that, the site will display a comprehensive list of the Varo-supported ATMs available near you. Typically, these results will show not only ATMs, but also any retail locations that host these machines for your convenience. This list is typically displayed in a map format, allowing you to visualize the exact locations of the ATMs. This can be incredibly helpful if you're new to the area or are planning a trip, and that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you'll have all the information you need to access Varo's network of ATMs. By using Varo's ATM locator, you'll be able to manage cash transactions smoothly, saving time and avoiding ATM fees that might cut into your budget. Keep in mind, as Varo continues to grow and expand their network, more ATM locations may become available, so it's a good idea to check back regularly for updates. Thank you for watching and exploring the solutions Varo offers for your banking needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more straightforward guides.